So guys, first, so right click to Windows icon, go to device manager. So this is Bluetooth, so just right click to update driver, close, then one by one update, click on search automatically, search automatically for driver and then close it, close, then next type services, just right click to run as administrator. So you can see here Bluetooth, just double click, select automatic, then apply, OK, then click to restart, then support service to again restart, then select open, double click, select the automatic, then click to start, apply, OK, 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 this is not right, then close it. So guys, next method, click to start, run Bluetooth troubleshooter, click to setting, then click to system, then click to troubleshooter, other troubleshoot, Bluetooth, and click to run. You can see here it will detect and resolve the issues. Next method, next guys, install latest driver. So next guys, type any browsers to Google search box, Lenovo IdeaPad Fax 5 driver download, and you can see this is official website pcsupport.lenovo.com. Just right click to new tab, go to this tab. After that you can see this is your laptop here, okay, and otherwise you know about your serial number, about your laptop serial number, you can type here, then click to search, so you can find out your laptop. Okay, so there are two method, first automatic, second manual. So in this automatic update driver, so you can click to scan now, and it software automatically scan your system, and after that require driver to install. Second is manual, so if you have to some issues separately installs this, select the driver, then guys click to Bluetooth. So Intel Bluetooth driver you can see here, then click to download, wait few seconds. Now you can see this is installing, just click to support, Intel Bluetooth driver setup, then click to yes, then next, I accept, next, install, next, then uncheck this, then finish it. After that you can restart your system guys.